I can't believe it.
Already, Yandy. Y'all, April 17th is officially Yandy Day. Allah put it on my heart, bro, to do this for you in spite of everything that has been going on in my own life. And I just want to congratulate you for being such a great friend, such a great entrepreneur, being my other brother from another mother, Mama Yandy. And you deserve this. You are a very hard worker, and I appreciate you for who you are.
Hey man, congratulations, bro. You really deserve this, man. You are the hardest grinder I know out there. Doing your thing. Yandy Day, man.
Already.
Yandy. Been representing Studewood. That's all I can say. You deserve all this.
Already, Yandy, you already know what to do from the south to the north. H-Town Underboss. It's your day, April the 17th. It's going down H-Town.
H-Town. And last but not least, y'all, yo mama Yandy. We stole her today.
I am so proud of you. You deserve this day. So, hats up to you. Ready.
Happy Yandy Day!
Happy
Yandy Day!
H-Town already.
I can't believe you turned that camera around.
Mama, I didn't see all of y'all.
You supposed to back up. What was the, he's supposed to say this after the spring break. Doctor is going to present thing on the spring break. And we all will be sending it kind of. He doesn't know.
I just heard half the information when y'all talking. I thought Doctor was going to be here today too.
No, listen.
I know now.
He's waiting on today. I'm supposed to be down in Houston right now. Well, Doctor is in the interview that he was there, and Yandy is there. He's calling me, right, to be there with you. We doing this right now, but I told him I'll be over there and I was telling you. You know, if you wanted to, we could start it down. So, catch you by that. What was we finished? Be glad. Go ahead. This the third one? Get up in here. Ain't nobody pressing on.
You just on here.
And I'm getting
No, man, you say.
Right. He got off film wrong.
We done pressed every button.
Right, the guy, he wasn't paying attention. He got off on one. He was trying to get off on two.
I knew he got off on one, then I looked at the dope thing, it said one. But I seen no face. We on good.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, I'm gonna give it to you. Kindly errors and corrections.
Yes, ma'am. It says 14 annual Yandy Studios. That's fine. Yeah. That's it. That's it. That's it.
And if you want to get it,
Yeah, we do. But we're gonna take some outside, so you can go ahead and just put it in there and we'll open it. And work inside. So it's officially Clyde Bolts Day. Every year in H-Town, April 17th again. Yeah. And tell them what it is. It is Clyde Bolts what? Yeah. April 17th. Yep.
Alrighty.
Every year. It's official, bro. It's official. You see it. We in City Hall right now, and we all came together. Showtime.
Well, all right, y'all. It ain't nothing but some red kids up in here. You know, talking about we getting red on a daily basis and making this shit worldwide, baby.
We love you, bro.
You ain't got your nose down to the ground getting money from slipping it out. You ain't doing yourself nothing, man.